Hey everyone, today we talk about the Theta Bitcoin warning. I already told you about the Dow Jones crash warning. So, before we talk about the Theta, you can find that the CPI is increasing rapidly just yesterday, 9.1, and the prediction is 8.8. So, this makes the market crash. But that's necessary that the crash is ending or we just back to bullish. The things that you need to know that I already told you many times since the 11th July that the Theta Bitcoin sideways waiting the CPI meeting. Everything is dependent on the CPI meeting. But we have the strong support until the Dow Jones going down in here. So we buy the dip going up and going down again. This is the second the dip. If you miss about the Dow Jones, later we can talk about the Dow Jones. But look, the key is that the Theta in here. So let's point, look, in here and also in here. It's a very strong resistance. Maybe the pump in the August, maybe like this one, in August we can see the theta is going up in here. However, the question is, in here, look, whether they can just sideways or maybe going down and then pump. Okay, so for me, I think it's possible that it's going down to retest the previous support in here. So after in here, you can buy the dip at around 0.9 in here. Then after that, the theta is flying to here. It's still possible. Okay, similar like the pump in here, similar like the pump in here, and that's the key. And the things that you need to know that about. Okay, let's open the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones, as I told you many times in a others video like this one, look, the first is you need to buy the dip in here, maybe around the early August. Why we buy in here? Look, if you are zooming like this one, we have the hole in here. Okay, let's zoom in. Look, we have the hole in here, like this one. Look, this is the hole. That's why to fill the gap and hole, so maybe the price can going down to hit this one before we are back to up. And as I told you, this is so many times like the last video, you can check that this is the notes that I always told to you, that we need to crash this first before we are going to up, and the second in here. So with the inflation like this one, it's just a matters of time. Maybe in the few days you can find that the Bitcoin, like the Bitcoin, look, the Bitcoin can still going up like this color, the green one. So the green one in here is still possible, and after that going up to here. But even the price is going up to here around 22k, that's the plan for the people to do the short sale before it's going down again, like in here, before we are back to the product. Okay, look, this like this one. So in the bigger time frame, we are still going to up in the August, like we are creating like the double bottom, like in the double bottom, like this one. 1 2 and it's going up. It's still possible, and but before that you need to remember that we have the triangle in here, the things, the important key for you to watch. And if you're curious about how about the theta against the Bitcoin, okay, so in this video in the 11th July, as I told you, maybe like in here, let's find like in here, look, I have told you so many times about this one, okay, that we are still going down in here. And the fact is, look, since the post of the video, the Theta Bitcoin is still going down. And this is the nodes, 0.1 and then 0.5, you need to remember. Okay, so if you want to buy the dip, waiting in here, this is the first entry and this is the second entry. Nobody knows, because the falling wedge in here can be going to this one before we are going up, or maybe not the falling wedge but using the parallel descending line. So second point in here, like previous in here, previous in here. That's the important key for you if you want to enter. Okay, and while we are still bearish, look, you can go to the FOMC website. In here, you can find that the next 26 and 27 July, we have the next FOMC. And the next FOMC absolutely talking about the CPI because the CPI is going to up. Therefore, I still believe there is another crash before the 26, 27 in here. Okay, and before this one, crash can be happening, and after that we buy the dip. Why? Because the August is the very bullish month for everything. Okay, and the last one is that I want to tell you about the Bitcoin dominance. So let's go to the Bitcoin dominance in here. Okay, wait a minute. Look, the Bitcoin dominance previously that we have in here, the resistance after hit this one, if you are zooming in the daily time frame, look, so the plan is maybe the altcoin still be strong until we find around the mid-July. Before the mid-July in here, I mean around 20 July, and the Bitcoin dominance is going to up. It's still possible because like we are waiting on maybe like this one, we still wait. Okay, that's the important key for watch. And okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. Thank you.